I hip it to the hip hip hop and you don't stop. Rock it to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie the beat. Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rocking to the beat. And me, the group, and my friends, we're gonna try to move your feet. See, I am sweet lady, and I'd like to say hello. I'm gonna rock you to the red, the brown, and the green, the purple, and yellow. But first I'm gonna bang bang the boogie to the boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie. Say stop, you don't stop. Rock the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Well, so far you've heard my voice, but I've brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my friend Zan. Come on, Zan, sing that song.
Check it out, I'm a C-A-S-N-A-O-V-A, and the rest is F-O-Y. You see, I go by the code of the doctor of the mist. These reasons I'll tell you why. You see, I'm 5'1", and I'm tons of fun, and I dress to a T. You see, I got more clothes than Jackie Kennedy, and I dress so viciously. I got bodyguards, I got two big cars, definitely ain't the wad. I got a Lincoln Continental and a sunroof Cadillac. So at the school I take a dip in the pool, which is rarely on the wall. I got a color TV so I can see the Nets play basketball. Hear me talking about the checkbook really costs more money. I've been a sucker to ever spend, but I wouldn't give a sucker nor a punk for a rocker nor a dime till I made it again. Everybody go hotel, motel, what you gonna do today? I met a super fine guy, gonna get us some style. Now we're driving the double OJ. Everybody go hotel, motel, holiday inn. You see, if your guy starts acting up, then you take his friend. A sweet lady, my girl, it's on you, so what you gonna do?
Well, it's on and on and on and on and on. The beat ain't stopping till the break of dawn. I said a S-I-S, a T-E-R, a G with a double E. I go by the unforgettable name of the medical Sister G. Well, my name is known all over the world, on all the foxy men and the tricky guys. The silliest guy in history called the girl by the M-A-C-T. Well, it's spinning the high, spinning the low. The beat starts slipping into your toe. You start popping your fingers, stomping your feet, and moving your body while you're sitting in the seat. I said, damn, and start doing the freak. I said, damn, right out of your seat. Then you hold your head, I in the hair. You're rocking to the beat, check it in the hair. You're rocking to the beat without a kick. Now the short shot MC is plenty of girls. Now I'm not so sure as the rest of the game, but I'm rocking to the beat just the same. I got a little face, a pair of brown eyes, and a many few guys get hypnotized. And it's on and on and on and on and on. The beat ain't stopping till the break of dawn. I said on and on and on and on and on, like a hot soda pops, it pops, it pops, baby, see it pops, it pops, pops. The beat ain't stopping. Come alive, y'all. Give me what you got.
I guess by now you can take a hunt, start moving your feet and start doing the bump. Cause that's okay, say keep in stride. Cause you're here to do is build your behind. Singing on and on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. And singing on and on and on and on and on. That's right, y'all, get on the floor. I gotta beat you here, I'm gonna beat you there. I'm gonna beat you out of this atmosphere. Because you're one of a kind and I'll shock your mind. And say if you feel it that you're behind. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, girl, get on the floor. Come alive, y'all, give me what you got. Cause I'm guaranteed to blow your mind. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me, sweet lady, what you're waiting for.
I said a hip hop, a hip it to the hip hip hop, and you don't stop rocking to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie the beat. A Scooby Doo rock, we rock, a Scooby Doo. I guess what? Jamaica, we love you. And then you rock to the rock with so much soul, and then you rock to the rock with a young or old. I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but you like hot butter on a breakfast toast. So work it out, baby brother. Then you move it to the boogie, the bang bang, the boogie to the boogie, the beat, beat, beat. So much soul you mean. Come on, everybody, and dance to the beat.
And then a hip, a hop, a hip, a hippity hip, hip hop, and you don't stop. Work it out, baby brother. Work it out, baby brother. To the boogity bang bang, the boogity bang bang, the rhythm of the boogity beat. I say can't wait till the end of the week when I rap into the rhythm of the groovy beat and attempt to raise your body heat, a baby that you cannot beat. I do a swing, then a rock, then a shuffle your feet. Let's change up and dance couple feet. And when your body heat comes to rhythm they meet, wait a little while so you don't get weak. I know a girl named Zan has more wine than the city stand. So come on, man, and sing that song to the rhythm of the boogie, the bang bang bang. Have you ever been to a friend's house to eat and the food just ain't no good? I mean the macaroni cheese tastes like glue and the chicken tastes like wood. And the food stop button you say that you ain't feeling good, and your friends say mommy ain't finished up all them food.
you think of a lie, saying you're already ate. And your friend say, mama, he just being polite, so pass some more on his plate. And then you say, that's it, I gotta leave this place, I don't care what these people say. Instead of sitting here making myself nauseated by the soggy food that stinks. So you run to the door feeling ill from the food you just ate. And then you run to the store for quick relief from a bottle of K.O. Pectin. Everybody go hotel, motel, what you gonna do today?
Say what?
Get a super fine guy, gonna get some stand, drive off in the double OJ. Everybody go hotel, motel.